Data validation helps prevent user error when entering information into a spreadsheet. The employee ID needs to be 6 characters. We're going to find data validation under the Data tab and Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, there are 3 tabs: Settings, Input Message, and Error Alert. Within the Settings tab, we set the criteria which are allowable. We want text length to be equal to six. That's allowable and anything else isn't. For input message, we are going to type the title Employee ID and the input message, please enter a 6-letter ID. For the error alert, which will be displayed if we enter anything else other than 6 letters, the title is Employee ID and the error message, please enter a 6-letter ID. Now click OK. We can see that when we click on the cell, the input message advises us as to what needs to be entered into that cell. If we enter an employee ID that has 7 characters and press Enter, the error alter lets us know there's a problem and in fact we can't enter that data. We have to click Retry and go back and enter an employee ID with 6 characters. For the date of birth, we want to warn people if it is after the 1st of January 2000, we go to Data, Data Validation, start with Settings, and this time we choose Date, and the date needs to be before or less than 1st of January 2000. We will leave the input message blank. In the error alert, the style will be Warning, meaning that we will be able to put in a later date, but we will be warned that we are doing so. For the title type, Date of Birth, and for the message type, Are you sure? Let's put in a date of 1st of January 2004. The error alert displays the message, Are you sure? We can click Yes if we want to. Finally, the salary is normally between 10,000 and 250,000. Go to Data, Data Validation, start with Settings, and this time choose any whole number between 10,000 and 250,000. Leave the input message blank and the error alert is purely information. The title is Salary and the message is, Are you sure? Click OK. Now, if we put in a salary of 9,000, the message displays, Are you sure? We can click OK and the data is entered. Go into Data Validation again and choosing Circle Invalid Data, both the date and the salary are circled. They don't comply with the rules that we entered. And if we want to clear those circles, then we go to Data Validation and Clear Validation Circles.